Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a farm tour. So here we have our 423O loader tractor. That's what we mainly use. Our hay rake, our baler's back there, and a fertilizer spreader. The rake is a VR820. I'm not sure. And the baler's a 504. Here we have our camper. And then here we have a Takeuchi TL140. It's our skid loader that we mainly use. We have our New Holland 513 manure spreader. New Holland H732O. This spine, an old rake, and our square railers all the way back there. Part 2 comes in.